Welcome to the USA Staffing login process video. In this tutorial, we'll guide new USA Staffing users on how to log into our system for the first time using their smart card. Don't have a smart card? Users without permanent smart cards will need to request an exception. USA Staffing has introduced login.gov as an alternative login method for users with a smart card exception. Step-by-step instructions on this alternative login method can be found in the USA Staffing Help Center. First, let's start with which web browser to use. Both the latest versions of Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge are compatible with USA Staffing. Please choose either of these web browsers based on your personal preference and/or your agency's requirements. To access USA Staffing, your agency's USA Staffing Office Administrator will create an account for you using your official work email address. Once your account is created, you will receive a system-generated welcome email with the subject line, "Your new USA Staffing account," at your work email address. If you do not see the email in your inbox, please remember to check your spam folder. Click the URL link provided in the email. This will take you to the USA Staffing login page to begin activating your new account. On the login page, select the Smart Card option. A pop-up window titled "Select a Certificate" will appear, displaying all your available certificates. Identify the correct certificate by clicking on it and then clicking the Certificate Information button. The certificate ending in .7 is not the correct certificate. It is for digital signatures and cannot be used to log into USA Staffing. The correct authentication certificate will have a long policy number ending in a value of .668, .12, or .13. Once you identify the correct certificate, click the OK button to close the Certificate Information pop-up window. Next, select the correct certificate from the list and click the OK button. Please note, if you select an incorrect certificate during this process, you will need to clear your browser cache, close your browser, and try again. Once you've selected the correct certificate, a pop-up window will appear requesting your PIN. Enter your PIN and click the OK button. You will then be directed to the Register Your Smart Card webpage. Enter the work email address associated with your USA Staffing account and click the Request Link button. If your account is found, an activation link will be sent to the email address provided. Please contact your USA Staffing Office Administrator if you do not receive an activation link. Click the Return to Login button and close the web page. Check your inbox for an email from USA Staffing with the subject line, "Activation Link to Register Smart Card." The email will include a link to activate your account that expires in 24 hours. Click the activation link in the email. A confirmation message, "Your smart card has been successfully registered," will appear on the web page. Click the Return to Login button at the bottom of the page. Congratulations! You have successfully activated your new USA Staffing user account and registered your smart card. You are now ready to log into the system for the first time. To log in, select the Smart Card option on the login page. As a new user, you will be presented with the system rules of behavior, which you are required to read and electronically sign. Once you have completed that step, you can begin using the system. This concludes our tutorial on how new users can log into USA Staffing using their smart card. For further assistance with registering your smart card, additional resources can be found in our online help section and through a downloadable guide accessible via the provided link. If you need additional assistance after reviewing this video and online help, you can also submit a help ticket. To do so, click on the question mark icon in the upper right corner of the USA Staffing login page and select the Submit a Help Ticket option from the drop-down menu. Our help desk will be glad to assist you. Thank you for watching.